Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your account password on the Bitget Crypto Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitget application on your device, and once you have logged in, you will end up within the homepage. From here, tap on the account icon at the top left corner, and now tap on the arrow icon alongside your user ID. Now from the user center page, tap on security, and now you will see various different security options. Tap on the login password button, and now you can directly enter your desired new password. Type in your desired password and then type it in once again for confirmation. Finally, tap on the submit button, and now you will need to enter your current password within the login password section. Then check your inbox to find the verification code, and once you find it, you can enter it within the given box. Finally, tap on the confirm button, and now your password has successfully been changed. You can now use this new password to log into your account in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the Bitget application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.